Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making mango avocado salsa, and the ingredients you will need are tomatoes, avocados, mango, and cucumbers. And you also need oil, vinegar, garlic, salt, and pepper, and lemons and cilantro. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the ingredients. It doesn't matter individually, it doesn't matter what order. And this is such a delicious and colorful dish, and we like to add it to chicken, fish, pork chops, and it is very delicious and perfect for summer. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the ingredients. It doesn't matter individually, it doesn't matter what order. And this is such a delicious and colorful dish, and we like to add it to chicken, fish, pork chops, and it is very delicious and perfect for summer. Now I'm just going to mix it together and combine the ingredients. These are about a cup each of each ingredient, and now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of cilantro. Perfect. And now you're going to add your olive oil. I like to do it to taste, but you can do whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to add my vinegar, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vinegar. I'm going to squeeze 1/2 of a lemon. Now I'm going to add some salt. And next I'm going to add some garlic. And then some black pepper. And then I'm going to mix it all together and hold it until all my ingredients are combined. Doesn't it look so pretty? I love all the different colors in it. Such a healthy and delicious recipe, and I'm gonna finish, and I just gotta put it in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna put it on top of our garlic rosemary chicken thighs. I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe for more content, and stay tuned for more because you deserve to know.